Performance Reviews, where we give you the review from the technician's point of view. And I'm here at Ymop at VDTA 2020, and take it away and show us what you got here.
Okay, well, we have the brand new Ymop Ghost. And to start, what is it? It's a vibrating mop that does the work for you when you're cleaning your floors. It's scrubbing at 4,000 RPMs a minute. This is our very thick, very high quality microfiber chenille towels. And so this Velcros on. I'm going to put this down here and just Velcros right on like that. So people often ask us, well, where's the sprayer? Well, we don't have a sprayer, and there's a good reason why. Let me show you what we do instead. This is about 18 ounces liquid, something like that, I'm not sure. Put the mop head with this cleaning liquid, stick it in there, turn it on. Just in a few seconds here, it loads all the liquid right into the mop head. Now we're good to go and mop. So now as I'm mopping, I'm scrubbing 4,000 times every minute. You also have the possibility or the advantage of being able to put some extra pressure on it. You got a difficult spot, you got a grout line, you go ahead and just do that. Not only does it do your tile or the cement floor over here, but it'll do carpet. We got carpet right here, and it cleans carpet also. Same mop head. If you have a situation where you have tile floor to mop, you can just keep going from one surface to the next, and it works just great doing that. You get done doing your cleaning, and you just take off your mop head, throw it in the wash machine, and just good to go. After you throw it in the wash machine, take it out. You don't even need to dry it. After it's spun dry, it's almost dry. You can go ahead and use it again immediately, or you can dry it on low. It's good for every kind of floor you can imagine, from carpet to hardwood to tile. It's great on grout, as I showed, tipping it up on edge.
Oh no, we've spilled some coffee on the floor. Let's clean it up. Well, that's really good. All right.
My first impressions of the Ymop is it was really light and easy to use. This definitely glides a lot easier than something like an Auric Orbiter. You can see I can just use one finger. Now, they kept throwing coffee down. This was maybe the third cup of coffee they threw down. They were really trying to impress me, and I was fairly impressed with how lightweight and easy to maneuver this machine was. I definitely think this is a pretty good option for those wanting to maintain their hard floors. The pad in this video, I feel like it looks like it filled up faster than it did. Again, they kept throwing cups and cups of coffee at it. But, you know, they're launderable, and I thought that was a nice solution. The other thing is it got about 2 hours of battery life, they were telling me, and I didn't see them charging this model throughout the show. I was fairly impressed. The battery is non-removable on this compact model, though, as you're about to see, they have a regular model which has an interchangeable battery, and there's a 1 and a 2 hour battery life depending on the color of cell. I believe the green cell is the 1 hour, and the orange battery is the 2 hour, if I'm not mistaken. And interchangeable batteries is always a plus. I find it really interesting how passionate these guys were about their mop. It's a simple product, but they put a lot of thought into it, a lot of product development. You can see the prototype here in the background, and I love seeing prototypes. Well, other than prototypes, they were really ready for production for the most part. So you'll be seeing this other version of the Ymop hit the market soon. I think the more compact size or more traditional size of this second one, even though it doesn't have interchangeable batteries, probably will be more suitable for most people. Now, this handle on the side here allows you to get some edge cleaning if you're trying to do a baseboard, something like that, or really scrub some grout. So that's the purpose of that. Also, if it was hard to push for somebody, which when it's on, it's very easy to push, that extra handle might be nice. And everything felt very solidly built. Overall, I was pretty impressed with the quality of this mop slash floor cleaner. Now, you can use this to spot clean carpets as well, just like the Auric Orbiter, again, if you're familiar with that. So I see this as a replacement for that. rather than a replacement for your traditional. I really can't wait to get this in my home and give it a good long review. I'm curious how the parts and how the machine will wear. They did have a projected life on the machine, which I don't have in front of me right now, but they've done a lot of study and a lot of research, which again is very impressive to me as a technician. I hope you've enjoyed this preview of the new Ymop. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and stay tuned for more VDTA news.